up, everyone? Welcome back to Blades and Bait. We're back out here at Oxbow. What I have is a drop shot rig. I have me a 1/4 ounce drop shot sinker with a number 6 Aberdeen hook. And for this one, I'll try out the red worms in here. There we are. Yeah, something's on it. I think I got it. Caught me something. Oh wow, a little tiny itty bitty perch. Yep. First perch of the year. There you go, folks. My first perch of the year. About a 6-inch perch. Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Blades and Bait with the Novice Angler. Anyway, back out here with my friend Mike. Hey. Yo. And we're out here at the little pond. This is the same place where I caught me my first 2 bass using soft lures. So hopefully we can catch something. What I'll be doing, I'll be trying some jig. I'll be jigging today. I have a 16th ounce jig head with a small, slim slip bobber. I found the slimmer the bobber, the more chances that you do get, especially when you're trying to catch bass. I'll try it out with a live bait first, then I'll move it over to a jig. Yep, back to using their little red worms. And the main thing about the red worms, you get 30 in a container. They are smaller, but I found they do stick on the hook a little bit better. Plus they do have a little bit more of a smell, I think, than regular worms. There we go. Let's give it a shot with their red worms. Whoa! Got something! Well, at least we didn't get skunked. Not a bad size. Caught ourselves a reddier. Yeah, probably about a good 6-inch reddier. Yep, let this guy go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yes, yes, yes. There we go. There's another one. Bunch of tiny little bluegills. Still better than getting skunked.